Hello, friends. How is everyone out there? I hope y'all are staying safe and social distancing. So my name is Scott Cruz. I'm a SPU dietetic student, and I'm part of the SPU Community Kitchen team. And due to these rough times, we've had to go virtual with the whole community kitchen, but we're still dedicated to getting recipes out to the public, to the community, so we can keep cooking, So our theme for the month is tried and true, and I'm going to be making a one pot pumpkin vegan chili dish. It's really easy to make. It's packed with flavor, and shouldn't take no more than 20-30 minutes. So yeah, I hope you all enjoy, and let's get to cooking. Thank you. Okay, let's get started. So first we're gonna put 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil into a pot. 1, 2. And you're gonna let that heat up on low heat for, I would say, like a minute or so. So next I'm gonna add the green pepper and the garlic minced. Let that cook for about, I would say, a couple minutes. And then we're gonna add the spices. There we go. Yeah, so we just let that cook for about 2 minutes or so, and then we add the spices. Looking really fuzzy. Okay. We're just about to add the spices, but before that, I wanted to add the onions before that. So I like to wait like 30 seconds to a minute after the greens are already been cooked. I just like my onions overall like that. And yeah, next we will add the spices. Okay, so once you have the onions, the green peppers, and the garlic all in here, been cooking for a couple minutes now, then we're gonna add the spices along with the tomato paste. So we got that cooking. Oh yeah. We have our spices. So we have tomato paste, oregano, paprika, cumin, chili powder, and salt. All gonna go inside. So here we go. There we go. And we want to mix that around. Make sure we get it all over. Man, gotta love this. It smells so good. Yeah, so we're gonna let that cook on medium-low for about a couple minutes. Okay, so now that this has been cooking for a couple minutes, see, it's looking really good. I combined the beans, the black and pinto, the tomato, the corn, and the puree in another bowl, and we're gonna put this bowl into this bowl. And voila. There we are. Now we just stir it all together. You can see how all the flavors are getting mixed together. It's becoming a little more thick. Yeah, there we go. So we're gonna bring this to a low boil, and we're gonna cook this for about 10 minutes or so, and then we can enjoy. Okay everyone, so I hope you enjoyed the little meal that I have made. Here is the final product. So this is your one pot vegan pumpkin chili, and you can enjoy with some avocado, cilantro, green onions, sour cream as well. I'm not really a big fan, but that's just my preference. So yeah, I want to thank you guys for coming in my home and experiencing a little of this virtual kitchen. But I hope you guys enjoy, and stay tuned for next month as we will have another theme. Thank you very much and have a great day.